This is my mother in French, and today we're going to pump ourselves in action and have some fun and creativity. We're gonna have so much fun. Before we start our episode, we shall first put this lovely bracelet made from my sister and my mother, matches with her outfit. So let's start.
Mercy, Anushka and Mercy, Anushka and Ananya.
Photographer, camera person, camera lady. Now, fun fact of the day.
Fun fact of the day. Did you know Thomas Edison invented an electric pen in 1876, which was actually made into the first tattoo machine in 1891?
And for all the ones in US, it's Eat What You Want Day. Speaking of Eat What You Want, I'm starving. Later in this video, we're gonna learn how to cook something surprising. Though I'm gonna push you out of the video during that time. Now we're going to make an Oreo cake for Mother's Day. See, I made a card already in school because I had to do it. Now what we're gonna do is how to make it. So please get bigger packs. I only use a smaller one because of a delay. Now I'm gonna take all. Oh my God! We're gonna plate. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna remove these and keep it in a separate bowl. And the creamer we're gonna keep also in a separate bowl. So the spoon. This. Oh my God, the cream! I love cream in the Oreo. Some people say that why is the cream so tasty? Tastier than the biscuit. To me, I think I'm just wondering that. Now let's just remove. Ooh, that's solid. Oh my God, it's so like. Alright, keep this. We have like 2 more Oreos. For you, you usually use like probably. You should always wash your hands before this, and you should probably use like 8 Oreos for this because I told you I had that today. Alright, so just keep it in my hands. Luckily, I washed mine, so it's not gonna be germinated. Alright, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna put this aside, and now we have this masher. Ooh. And then it's almost like soil. So before we do a little more mashing, let's add some water because we also have to turn it into cream. Okay, so this much to make it easier for mashing. Okay, so now I think when it's completely soil, then we'll start putting more water because I don't want it to be so also crunchy. So crunchy, but it should also have a kind of crunchy flavor. How is that? It looks like soil. Wow. Okay, so now we're gonna add some more water. So we can turn it into cream. Okay, I think I already finished. Okay, I think it's okay. Creamy, but I think it's time for a lot of water. Oh my God, I got stuck. Okay, so with water it'll even like make more. Okay, I think I overdid it, but since you have a little bit of this, it'll like add some flavor again. Ooh, so let's just like take some water. Oh my God. So this was a minor mistake. But now I think this is enough water to like make the cream nice and soft. See this? How much cream is coming? How much water is coming out? Alright. I think now it'll take like probably 1 more minute. I did half of this like off camera, if you can see here. Well, so it's a bit messy, but luckily I kept mattresses just in case. So now it's time for the big thing, bread time. You may be thinking, why are they having bread? Because we're not using an oven in this. So we're gonna start by adding this. Oh my god, it's like stuck together. Get it. So this much you want to keep. It's like putting Nutella or something on your brown bread, but this is white bread. So let's just keep this. Is only for the inside as we have less of it. Plus it's very sticky, so it'll probably make it like stuck in here. Okay. Let's just add some more here. And around and around. And now let's add it on this bread. Whatever leftovers left. Little water came out. Cream. Okay, so I think that's enough for cream because it's time for spreading. Yeah, this is totally looking like Nutella on brown bread. For those you don't know, I've never actually had Nutella, though I've seen it. So this is probably how it looks like. Maybe even the same color. Now it's time to smudge. Extra. Now it's time for the big thing. Okay, so stick it together. Okay. Now it's seriously Nutella and brown bread. So a little bit of like cream went on here, but it's okay because now we have to add all this cream here. So let's go and I'm gonna go and get like a new plate so I can put it on, put this on the plate, and then we'll piece it up together better. Okay, now the big time to shine. Cream, here we come. Okay, so
kind of like icing.
yeah, it's like icing. Thank you, sister. It's like so creamy. And there's still so much left. So I'm gonna like almost use all of it. So we can just, so if you can't see here, I'm like using it from the sides. And I'm not wasting a single bit. Because I also want to like cover the sides a bit. So it'll be like, it looks like a cake. And I want to cover it all. So no one recognizes that we use bread. Because they may think it tastes weird. But when you actually eat it, you'll see that creamer we put inside and that look and all. And also my hands are going to get someday creamy because this is going to get, I mean not someday but soon it's going to get creamy because this is a cream work. Okay, so I used a little too much here and turns out wasn't, I think it was enough for entire sides. Now we're going to put some cream here. Again I did some off camera, but there's one tip I forgot to mention. See this? You can just do it like this. When the cream is already there, it'll smoothen. And just make sure you're really careful so it doesn't break. So now, I'm gonna open the gem packet.
Decoration.
Yeah, decoration. Oh my god. So I'm just going to start by, since we have too many purples, I'm going to do a little thing before this. Before we actually design it, I'm going to make a little crunch. Hidden.
Ooh.
So it's like a little it's like a crunch you never knew. So this wasn't actually part of the recipe, but I just wanted to say, yo, we need some crunch. Cakes always have some crunch. So between you and me, secret crunch. I wanted to show. Oh, that is okay. Now we can decorate it. So I'm gonna add some red. Make it like a rainbow. Orange, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, pinky pink. Okay, so it's a bit messy for the handwork. Try and improvise, people. So now I'm gonna just put two blue here and put two blue here. Put two light pinks. Oh, it's bright pink. Oh, this is different pinks also. Hidden secret. So let's make a little heart in the middle. So this is the entire look. So now before we start, we end this. We're going to first make the plate look pretty. Take the spoon and swipe it up. So this part I'm going to do off camera, and then I'll show you the final reveal. Now, Mama!
Yeah. Yes. Amazing.
Now I'll go and get a fork. Let's try. Put your credits.
Thank you, Ananya. Thank you, Anushka. I feel so special. Thank you, Father, for the ingredients.
Alright, now let's side cut it. Which piece do you want? Which color of gems do you want?
Pink, purple, blue.
Okay, pink, purple, blue.
Matches so neatly.
Just stick up there. Stick.
Small.
What do you mean? It's Mother's Day. Have a big one.
Alright. Oh my god, the inside looks so cool.
So yum.
Alright, so
Give her the secret.
What's the secret? What's the secret?
it's a secret ingredient.
Did you give it to her?
Okay, I don't think that came out, the secret ingredient. If you want to know, it's the crunch. So remember, if you want to, I don't think I gave it, but you remember the secret ingredient, so
Eat it. Eat it. Eat it.
eat it.
Interesting.
Alright, now
Alright.
everyone look inside this. How the texture is. Look at that. It looks like so fascinating, so realistic, so
Nice. Thank you.
alright.
What is this? Can I see the card?
Alright, that's the end
Happy
of
Mother's Day. Have a great day.
Alright, now that's the end of our video. Hope you like this video. Like, subscribe, and comment down below.
See you next time.